Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have that BMW 530 here, and we're going to show you how to drain the coolant on that thing, how to drain it, where the drain plug is located, and we'll have a video how to refill it and actually how to bleed the system after that. So check out our channel, stay with us now, and let's go ahead and drain the coolant out of it. So we're under the car now. We're going to remove, okay, you can see those screws that hold the, that engine cover for the bottom of the car there. So we need to go ahead and remove it now, because that's where, okay, that's where we'll be accessing the radiator drain plug from. Almost there. Okay, and you can see this one leaked quite a bit of oil there. So we have a video how to fix a common oil leak, guys. Check it out. We have it in the playlist there as well. So next, guys, we need to jack it up on the driver's side. Use a jack stand, always safety first, never rely on the jack, because the drain plug is located actually on the passenger side. So what you want to do, you want to keep the car, okay, tilted this way so you can get most of it out that way. So we can actually install a hose there on the bottom, guys. Okay, trying to get to the plug now to see if we can show you where it is. Okay, I'm gonna go underneath in a second and show you with the camera. There is a place where you can install a hose, that way when you drain it, it's going to come out of the hose and you can collect it and not spray coolant everywhere. Okay guys, that's the hose that we installed. There is one red thing here, let us show you. Okay, this is the thing, the red thing that it drains from. Okay, and this hose there is leaking too, so we'll need to replace that hose as well. Something's not right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually take this one loose with a screwdriver. Okay, you just unscrew it and it's going to collect all the coolant. Okay, you can see it started leaking. Okay, from the hose. Okay, just like that, and we're gonna let it drain for probably about 10 minutes to make sure everything comes out. Now, next thing what you need to do, you need to open the cap on top, otherwise you create vacuum and it will not come out. So go ahead, remove the cap, and it's going to start leaking even more after that. And this one is pretty tight, as you can see. Okay, and you just heard it going even faster now. So let's give it some time, and when it drains, we'll proceed with the next step. So we close the plug, just get it tight with the screwdriver, guys. Make sure you get it tight. And we are gonna show you in a video. We have a video how to refill the system, okay, and how to bleed it the right way. So check out our channel. Next video will most likely be the bleeding procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.